In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Responsive Resize in Adobe XD. If you've ever resized a design and watched your layout fall apart, this feature is going to save you time and frustration. Responsive Resize helps XD intelligently reposition and scale elements so your design adapts to different sizes without everything getting squished or drifting out of alignment. Start by selecting what you want to resize. You can click the entire artboard if you're preparing a full screen for another device size, or select a group of objects if you only want part of your layout to adapt together. Grouping related elements, like a card with an image and text, usually gives better results because XD understands they belong together. With your selection made, look over to the Property Inspector on the right side of the interface. This panel is where XD shows controls for whatever you've selected, and it's where you'll find the option we need. Locate the Responsive Resize toggle and switch it on. Turning it on tells XD to analyze the spacing and hierarchy within your selection and to preserve those relationships as you change size. Now click and drag one of the handles on the border of the artboard or the selected group. You can drag a side handle to stretch horizontally or vertically, or a corner handle to scale in two directions. As you drag, keep an eye on how the elements respond. XD will try to maintain margins, keep items aligned, and scale content in a way that looks natural. Text blocks, icons, buttons, and images should move and resize gracefully rather than compressing awkwardly. If something doesn't look quite right, ease off the drag and try nudging from a different handle. Corner drags tend to preserve proportions more evenly, while side drags emphasize one dimension. A quick zoom in can also help you check spacing more precisely. And remember, undo is your friend if you want to step back and try another approach. For best results, start with a clean layout. Consistent spacing, well-named groups, and logical structure help XD make smarter decisions. When working with complex sections, duplicate your artboard first, so you can compare before and after. As you get comfortable, you'll find Responsive Resize is great for quickly mocking up tablet and mobile variations or testing how a component behaves in a wider or narrower layout. That's all there is to it. Select your artboard or group, turn on Responsive Resize in the Property Inspector, and drag the handles while XD keeps your design tidy and aligned.